All right. You know, when I'm walking to the door and opening this up, you know it's gonna be another unboxing situation. Dang it, this thing is gonna be hard to take out. Give me a quick second. I have to place the camera down in order for me to get this box out. Open it. Gotta have really good grip. There you go. Ooh. Got it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do you guys see there, guys? Maybe it's a little dark. I'll turn on the light here. But we got an Hcalory toolbox. This is their newest diesel heater, and the 2025 version, which is supposed to be the max, and it's supposed to be the game changer. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this in front of all of you guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this Hcalory toolbox max diesel heater. Okay, as I always preach, always cut away from your body. Away. There we go. Set that down here. Okay. Boom. Can't really see from that angle. Taking this off. Styrofoam cover for the gas cap. And I'm gonna have to take this down. Okay, looks like there's two handles here. It's complicated. Let's see if I can move this first somehow. But not really. Two styrofoam protection. Boom. So this is it. This is what it comes with. Let's see what else is in here. Yep, there's more stuff. Okay, for the styrofoam. Obviously, you guys have seen that. That's what it looks like from the top. This is the back. That's where the exhaust is gonna go. There's some styrofoam cover here. Remote control in a plastic bag. Brand new. Styrofoam cover. We'll mess with that later. This is the box. I'm pretty sure that's where the exhaust is. And the user manual. Toolbox. Diesel air, car parking. Diesel heater. Okay, so So I'll move this out of the way and open up this. Okay, so open this up now. Yep, this is the exhaust as well as the vent. So yeah, I got the vents here. Another box. Let's see what's in here. I think this is the AC/DC adapter, if I'm to guess. Yep, I was correct. So there you go. And it still comes with this option if you want to use the battery from your vehicle, right? So you can still use this as an option. Let's see. And there is the exhaust pipe. Yep, this one's kind of short compared to the older one. And here's the muffler and some brackets and bolt nuts. They look like these are the feet that go under here. Okay. Got some more wiring stuff here. Okay. Some hose clamps, small ones, and 2 big ones. Here's the hose clamps. And last but not least, some optional feet. I think these are the ones I'm going to use instead of the other one. The smaller feet. I think this is what I'm going to use. And yes, and it also comes with some, looks like some self-tapping screws, well, a bolt. Self-tapping bolts, and then some screws. Let's see the nuts probably in there too. But yeah, there you go. That's how it comes when you unbox it, guys. Double check, make sure there's nothing else left in the box. Nope, there isn't. So that's all that comes when you open up this whole thing. Okay guys, I have this set up for the first time. Pretty easy. Hose clamps, tighten them up, setting up the exhaust. Filled it up. Gee, I don't even know how much I have in there, but barely. I think I have enough. Let's see. Hopefully, at least something. Filled it up as best as I could. So, well, it looks like it's fairly decent. But we'll see. We'll give it a try. First time starting it up. Pretty interesting setup. With this vent right there. So make sure I'm not stripping the threads here. Okay. Should be good now. Alright, as you see, we're all set up, so you're supposed to do is hold this for about 25 seconds. So let's see. So you can kind of hear it going. Okay. All right. Let's see how it goes. I think they say hold it down for 25 seconds or something. Okay. See if she fires up. See the watts, it's going up a little bit, it's going down. It's at 115, 113, averaging around there. It's not too much. Oh, there it is. First smoke came out. So, man, this thing is quiet. I don't hear anything. It was just that initial one. It's probably going to take a little bit. But, yeah. So we know at least there's that portion. Controller says. Kind of hard to see, but yes, it's showing that it's blowing. Okay, you can hear it a little bit faintly. Yes, you can hear it. You hear the exhaust. So there it is. Wow, that didn't take long at all. Let's see. Yeah, it's starting to blow some hot air. Yep, it's getting warmer. Going. It's going. Heck yeah. Yeah, definitely warm now. Man. Awesome. Super warm. So you have this set up to H4. Set it up to probably 75 degrees right if you're really cold. It's on automatic. Okay. It's reading the room temperature too. Yes, sir. She's gone. Oh yeah, now it's hot. Ooh. Go. However, we're still at 93%. And line looks to be right below 3, which is below 40%. And still running. It's been running now for about a good over 30 minutes, but I'm gonna run it for another hour just to be sure. Just want to make sure that this thing works properly and it doesn't betray me when I'm out there. All right, it's been a total time of over an hour and a half, so probably somewhere around an hour 40, an hour 45 minutes. It is still running. It's still good. Oh wow, yeah, that is hot. Okay, so it's still running hot. Everything's good. Let's see. Yep, still below 3 liters. Barely took a dent there. I know it's hard to see it in the camera, but it looks like it barely took any of the diesel fuel down for an hour. Of course, this is going to be barely anything, but let's see how much it's taken as far as the energy here. So not much energy was zapped from it. As you can see, it's last time I think it had 93%, so for about an hour, 91%. So only 2% drop for an hour. That is not bad at all. It's definitely not taking so much juice to get this running. Now it dropped down to 90%. Okay, so about you're looking at about 3% drop for about an hour. Over an hour, because I did set up my alarm for an hour. So yeah, 3%. Not bad at all. There you have it.